In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Hubstaff not tracking time. If you've been facing issues with your time tracking on Hubstaff, don't worry. We're going to walk through a series of steps to help you resolve this problem quickly and efficiently. Let's first ensure that your timer is actually running. It may sound basic, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Go to your Hubstaff dashboard and double check that the timer is active. A paused timer means no time is being tracked, so this is the first and easiest thing to confirm. Next up, we need to check your internet connection. Hubstaff relies on a stable internet connection to sync the time tracked on your local machine with its servers. If your internet is intermittent or down, this could disrupt accurate time tracking. Try refreshing your connection or connecting to a different network to see if that helps. It's also important to confirm you're using the desktop application, as Hubstaff's advanced features, like screenshots, activity tracking, and app URL monitoring, require the desktop app rather than the web dashboard. So make sure you've installed and are running the Hubstaff desktop app for full functionality. Another crucial step is to ensure that time tracking is enabled for your account within the Hubstaff app. Navigate to your settings and verify that nothing is inadvertently toggling your time tracking capabilities off. If everything looks good so far, a simple restart of the Hubstaff app can often resolve minor glitches. Close out the app completely, then reopen it to refresh its performance. Restarting other applications or even your computer can sometimes also help clear out any conflicting processes. While you're at it, confirm that you're running the latest version of Hubstaff. Updates often include bug fixes or enhanced features, so keeping your software current ensures you're benefiting from these improvements. Check the App Store or Hubstaff website for any available updates and install them as necessary. Now let's check for paused or stopped tracking. Maybe the app has logged you out, or perhaps there's a schedule for tracking that's now inactive. Make sure tracking hasn't stopped at either the app or server level. You'll also want to verify your project and task settings. Check your project list to ensure your current project hasn't been archived or deleted accidentally. If that's the case, tracking would be halted. You can try selecting an alternative project to determine if tracking functions correctly there. Once you've completed these steps, your time tracking should be back on track. With everything we've covered today, you will have the know-how to troubleshoot common issues, so don't hesitate to revisit these instructions if you encounter similar problems in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!